Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fry Garri the authentic way. Not just any Garri, but sun-dried Garri. This isn't just kitchen work, it's business. Whether you are selling in the market or packaging for stores, mastering this traditional method can set your Garri apart. Let's turn sunshine and hard work into profit. So first thing first, we need our cassava, which is our major ingredients for the making of this sun-dried Garri. So it's either you are getting it from your farm or you are buying. So after getting your cassava, the next thing to do is to peel and wash it thoroughly with clean water in order to remove any dirt or any impurity that may come with it. Garri production helps to provide jobs for people, especially in rural areas. So after peeling and washing, the next thing to do is to grate or blend the cassava until smooth. Traditionally, a grinding machine or hand grater is used. Once done with the blending, the next thing to do is to pour the cassava mash into a sack or cloth and press it immediately. We are skipping fermentation, so no waiting for this. Just press to remove the water. For the extraction of the water, you can use a local jug, or better still, use an heavy object within your means to extract as much water from the Garri as possible. It can take between 3 to 4 hours before this can be achieved. After pressing, break the cake and sieve it using a local Garri sieve. This helps us remove lumps and get even granules. Okay? Once the Garri has been fully sieved, the next thing to do is frying, and here is where the major work starts. Frying this Garri is quite different from the way you fry your normal white Garri. This Garri, the frying process takes between 5 to 7 minutes, or better still 10 minutes, unlike Ijebu Garri that takes about 20 to 30 minutes per session. This Garri is not usually fried to perfection on the frying pan. It is the sun that is used to complete the drying process. Once the Garri is half done, remove it from the frying pan and then go in with another session, okay? Some of the benefits of Garri production. Garri production supports many livelihoods, from cassava farmers to processors, traders and retailers. It's a major source of income in rural areas. Garri is widely consumed and have steady demand both locally and internationally, especially among African diaspora. To complete our Garri frying, this is the next step. Spread the Garri evenly on a clean mat or tray or even a sack and leave it under direct sunlight for about 2 to 3 hours. Once the Garri are dried and crispy, gather it later in the day and bag it up. These Garri are usually sent to the local market where people from big cities usually come to buy it. They are usually sent to different parts of Nigeria, even neighboring countries. Packaged Garri is exported to countries like the USA, UK and Canada, contributing to foreign exchange earnings. They also have low production costs. Cassava is relatively cheap and easy to grow, making Garri production a cost-effective business venture. Food security. Garri long shelf life and ease of preparation make it a vital food reserve during economic hardship or crisis. Okay? And that's it. Homemade sun-dried Garri, just like grandma used to make. Perfect for eba or even selling. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. More traditional secrets await you right here on Ese Can Cook. So until next week when I come again, God bless you and bye.